Welcome back to vidsforkids.tv, and today we're going to talk about a new channel called TimmyTube Network. Now, if you have an older brother or sister that's taking Photoshop in middle school, this new channel called TimmyTube Network has tips and pointers on how to do Photoshop stuff. And one of my favorite is Liquify. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit how Liquify works here, and then down there you'll see a link to this channel, and it's family friendly, so maybe you might even like to learn how to do Photoshop. I know I do. I love Photoshop. So anyway, let's look over here and see what this is all about. And this is Liquify. Yeah, Liquify. Okay, guys. Well, this is Photoshop, and I'm going to just show you what they can teach you over there on the TimmyTube Network. You can learn to do your own animation. You can learn different filters like Liquify. Oh, you can make your own channel on YouTube. But anyway, this is how Liquify. I'm going to show you. Look, you click this, and then you have this big old thing over here, and then you can like stretch your ears, make them big. Look at that. Look at my ears. You can take the nose and make it down. Oh my gosh, I look like a llama. Hey, mama, I look like a llama. Man, this is so cool. You can stretch your hair, make your hair big. Man, that is so cool. So anyway, guys, this is the stuff that you'll learn, and it is for beginners, over on the TimmyTube Network. You should really check it out, and maybe tell your older brother or sister that you can learn beginner tips on Photoshop and Premiere. Okay, that's that. Whoa, isn't that cool? You can pull and stretch and do everything. You'll probably notice that's the same technique we used on Snapclap, where I had all the funny faces and stuff. So anyway, guys, y'all have a good day, and don't forget to click that link down there to the TimmyTube Network, and you can learn how to do Photoshop. It's pretty easy, and it's for beginners. All right, we'll see you later. Bye!